Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. I'm going to do a little quick video here for you to just change your cargo light, your bulbs, your third brake light on these Ford OBS models. Should be pretty much the same procedure for 1990 all the way up to a 97. Really pretty much all of them. But this one in particular has bulbs that aren't functioning. Either they're blown or we have some corrosion that we're dealing with. But on a lot of these models with the E4OD transmission in particular, if you have a blown bulb, it can cause erratic behavior from the transmission. And I do not recommend using any LED bulbs. That can wreak havoc on the system as well. Keep that in mind. Google your vehicle. You can see a whole lot on the forums about it. So we're going to just take these screws out and pull this off and check it out. These are also very prone to leaking around here, so it can cause you some problems there with the corrosion leaking down into the cab. So keep that in mind. Try to get that pried out gently. All right, so you would think that this lens would kind of pop off, and maybe it will you can replace that, but you got to get to the bulbs anyway, so you really need this whole thing off. So I don't know if I can get it off with one hand, but it will wiggle out and you'll be able to get it off. Well, that might be my problem. I wonder why they don't have bulbs on them. Anyway, so we're gonna go get some bulbs for this. Yeah, sure are. That's how you do it though, guys. And we'll replace these bulbs and put it back together. Alright guys, so I'm back. I went to the O'Reilly's and they're showing the part number 921. It's the proper bulb for this. So we're gonna put these in and see if we're gonna test it first before we put it all back in, but to make sure that this all works the way it needs to. And there may be a reason why these were left out. There might be a wiring issue, something going on that I don't know about, but I always assumed they were just blown. So pretty easy. You just take them out of the package, put them right into the just like that, put them all back in and call it a day. Really pretty easy. Just plug it back in. Come on. So what I'll do is I'll go in and turn the cargo light on and try to find something to depress the brake with. So anyway, you can see here where it looks like somebody may have just left these cargo lights on for too long, and it burnt all these areas and the brake light over time. I think that's probably what we're dealing with. But I'm going to set you guys up here and go in and turn the cargo light on and turn the brake light on and make sure that this thing functions. So hold tight. Start with the cargo light. There's your brake light. So now we'll just put this thing right back in just how we took it off. Now you can order a new gasket to go around here, and it's probably a good idea to keep having leaks in this. I'm not going to do that at this moment. I'm going to put this back together as is. I just kind of want to see how long these bulbs last and if there's anything else that's going on with it. But you just want to just be easy and ease it back in and put your screws back in, and then you are done. The reason this is so hard to get on and off, you've seen how it was bulged out at the bottom for the brake light, and that's what's causing it to be so hard to get off and on. So we'll screw this back on and the job's complete. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped you. If it did, why don't you hit that like button, share it, subscribe to the channel, check out all the cool things coming. We're actually putting a new old one of these on the F-250 coming up, so it's going to have some wiring that's got to be dealt with too. But thank you guys. We'll see you next time.